Hello and welcome to a new episode of our series of use cases. And today we are going to develop a desk occupation application on Datacake. And we are going to also see some changes on the platform. So let's go. So we are on Datacake and I wanted to show you a little glimpse. A lot of changes are coming and we are very excited about them. The first one and most simple one, some really beautiful color background now on the login page. And now I'm going to log into my account and I'm going to see my two workspaces right now. And because we are developing today an occupancy application, I'm going to go to my building monitoring workspace. And this is a workspace where I'm going to be adding all of my building monitoring devices, of course. And we are going to use some super cool MileSIGHT VS340, which are desk occupancy sensors. And I prepared a CSV file, as I showed last time, to make the process of adding the devices way easier. So right now I'm going to add LoRaWAN devices, and again I'm going to select the MileSIGHT template for my device. We have a super big catalog of templates on Datacake, as you can see, and this list continues to grow. You have to stay up to date and see if we have available the devices that you need. If not, you can always ping us and we can always add them to our catalog. And here it is. That's our VS340 and 341 desk and seat occupancy. I'm going to click on next, and I'm going to, of course, add them to our Datacake LNS, which is for free or included in all of our packages. And I can actually add my document from, you're not going to see that, but from my own folders from my laptop. And all of these have already app key, frequency, device class, and you can right away add location description and tags. So as you can see, all of these are location descriptions in our building, and the tags are also the departments where the devices are installed in. And all of our devices are added at once, which is awesome, and it makes it so much easier to deploy IoT solutions. And I simply click on add, and now I can see that my MileSIGHT devices are already there. Of course, they need to be installed and they need to be activated. And MileSIGHT has a toolbox application that allows to configure the devices remotely and activate, enable them. And that's it. The devices are now on the platform. And now I can go ahead and check out one of them. The template already includes a super beautiful dashboard that says occupancy, the number of places occupied, the number of times that the place was occupied today and yesterday and on the week. Also some sensor fields like the battery and the online status, and you can also see trends. And of course, all of these templates are having the possibility to create a public link and to share the dashboard with your users. So you can go ahead and share it and share the data. I'm going to delete it. And all of these dashboards also have mobile views, and the templates have payload decoders, fields, and so on. All of these little things are changing. So you're going to see that soon we are going to have a very beautiful and user-friendly way of navigating. For now, you have the dashboard, you have the configuration, and we can proceed and add a floor plan to our workspace. And that's going to be, I clicked on add a dashboard. Those are global dashboards that allow you to create one single overview for more devices. And we are going to add a widget. And as you can see, this overview is new as well, and now you can filter your widgets. You can see and search for your widgets. If you type in map, you're going to see the heat map, the image map, and the map. We want to add an image map, which is our floor plan, and I'm going to select from my PC a floor plan that I previously had saved or into my storage, and I'm going to say this is the first floor, and I'm going to add some of my devices. As you can see, we also have some search in here, and you can add them directly with the field occupancy, and you can edit the position of them by dragging and dropping your circle. You can put it, for example, in here and make it smaller. And we are going to be able to also define the color. So if the value is 0 or the value is 1, which is like a Boolean type, true or false, if it's red or green, if it's available or it's occupied. And now we can select the next one in the field occupancy, and the same, edit position, and you can drag it and drop it somewhere there. You can also change the size of the circle to fit into your image map, and so on. I'm going to show you how this looks like. We have our devices in there, and when you add them, you can edit the position, and you can also edit the appearance. And to edit the appearance, you can say that when on, which is true, is when the value of the Boolean is true, that means the place is occupied, and you can set the color to red. And when the Boolean is off or it's false, then the color is green, because then it is available to sit on. So as you can see, now the colors have changed into that one, and we can proceed and do exactly the same for the other one, because both are actually occupied places. And now I'm going to click on save, and I'm going to save my dashboard. So that's how you add all of the occupation devices at once. That's how you create a floor plan, your first floor plan. And now you saw a couple of little enhancements that we have on the platform. I hope this was useful, and let us know in the comments what you think, if this application is a good example of what you can do and achieve with Datacake. And we are happy to see you next time. Bye-bye.